What's going on? So today we got a video from Colombia. Colombia. I'm thinking, ooh, nice Latinas, yeah, shit. But Columbus police body camera, okay. And the title of the video is he forgot to turn his headlights on and went to jail. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Ward, Columbus Police. You know why I pulled you over tonight?
My lights was off.
Yeah, your lights were off.
Yeah.
Is this your vehicle?
Yeah, this is my mom.
Straight for 43S 307 North 20th, 9 rounds. Our call, heard 817.
No headlights.
Sound of destruction in the walkway between the buildings. And that's 967.
Now I turn them on. Here, it's
21.
KIA 4292. Constance Lee. East Store. 2002. Stop it. What are we on, Howard? Yeah, Howard, and this will be Star.
Howard, second. King out of Adam, 4292.
How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Ward, Columbus Police. You know why I pulled you over tonight?
My lights was off.
Yeah, your lights were off.
Yeah.
Is this your vehicle?
Yeah, this is my mom's.
Oh, your mom's? Okay. You got your driver's license on you?
I was just going to the store, man. I left in a hurry.
Do you have a license?
Yeah, I do have one.
It's not suspended or nothing, right?
No. I live right on the next block.
Okay.
There's a way that you can, you know what I'm saying?
Well,
Just
just
do construction.
Okay, I hear you, man. I'll just get your info real quick.
Okay.
Can you turn the car off?
I just went to the store, that's all.
Oh, you're good. What's your name?
Jonathan.
J.
Onathan.
Last name?
Ren. W-R-E-N.
W what?
W-R-E-N.
And then your birthday?
12.
No guns or anything in the car? No drugs or nothing, right? Okay. Just stay in the car for me, okay?
What do you give a fake name?
What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up?
Whose car is it?
It's my mom's.
It's your mom?
Yeah.
I got you. Where are you headed to?
Headed back home. You can still drive through there, you know. Just headed back home. We just went to the store real quick.
I got you.
Got some change. And headed right back because I got to ride the bus in the morning.
Okay, cool. You got work in the morning?
Yep.
Where you working at?
Right now I'm doing little odd jobs, residential jobs for like family and friends. I cut grass.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got your own trailer and shit?
Not yet, man. Not yet. I got so many jobs where I got like 7 faithful people. I've been doing it for 3 years now. You know what I'm saying? And then like a lot of my elders I help out because times is hard right now. So I just, you know, so I try to do the best I can do, you know, and giving back to the community. That kind of keeps my ass sometimes because people want stuff done for free, and you know, it's like, man, I'm supposed to make it to these guys tomorrow, but they ain't had their grass cut since winter began, and you know, it's just like, man, close mouth don't get fed. They can either say yes or no.
Yeah.
And that's how I go, man. That's how I get my little jobs, and I try to stay faithful.
Do you do you like do the whole thing, like mow and trim and edge and all that shit?
And blow at the end.
And you do the blow, yeah. It's all your shit?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Set that out. My PUA money, pandemic unemployment, I had that, and what I did was with that, I just went ahead and invested in myself instead of just spending on dumb shit.
All right, man. We're just gonna have you step out real quick, okay? Reach for it. There you go. Are they coming to us? Yep. No guns on your right.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
No guns on you, right, partner?
Yep, no guns. No guns.
Yeah, he must have a warrant or something.
You got a possible felony warrant, okay?
Okay.
Looks like you got no license too, partner.
Yeah. But can somebody call my mom on my phone?
We'll see. Yeah. We'll see what we got going on, okay, man?
Cause she's still up, but that's a vehicle.
I hear you, man. I hear you.
What car do you drive when you do your lawns?
I ride my bike for real.
How do you take a snow or the blower and all that shit on your bike?
It connects. I got an electric mower.
7-2. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got one of them Hearts.
7-2.
I didn't miss anything, right, Jonathan?
Nope. Didn't miss nothing.
Okay. Nothing, stuff, nothing anywhere. Falling here, nothing.
Yep. I don't do that.
I gotta ask, because people, sometimes do that.
Yeah.
Is that the only other layer? Is that those shorts?
Shorts, yeah.
You just got drawers under there, or are those your drawers?
Those are my drawers, yeah.
Okay.
All right, bud, we're gonna have to take a seat real quick.
He's been pretty chill, though.
It's kind of tight. Just go butt first.
Hey, let me check them cuffs real quick, actually. Step back out. I just want to make sure they don't tighten up on you.
Yeah, one of them did on the left.
Did it?
Yeah, on the left, yeah. On my wrist.
Okay. Oh, it's because of the watch.
Oh,
Okay.
You can take it off.
Change your location from 20th and Hildreth.
What they kind of told you?
I think 438.
9051, what was the numbers on Hildreth?
I can't get it off.
Oh.
1128, Hildreth.
You play ball?
Yep. I shoot ball right here at the park, matter of fact.
I was gonna say, man, your old mugshot said 6'9". You're like 6'5", though.
I'm 6'4".
Are you?
Yeah.
All right,
All right,
take a
do
seat,
butt
brother.
first, man.
All right. Thank you. Oh. All right. My phone's still on the ground.
Yeah, I got him, brother. I put him back on the seat. We'll grab him for you.
Okay.
Just give me a minute.
All right, no problem. Take your time, man. I never did a resistance or.
No, I hear you, brother. I hear you.
I don't want to fight. No, none of that shit.
You from out here in Milo, though, right?
Yep.
How long have those warrants been?
I don't know. I think I just had one warrant. It was a gun, because I was driving to McDonald's. I don't even know I had the gun. And
It looks like it's kind of old, ain't it?
I don't know what old is. I know it's been at least, 2 years?
Yeah. Let me check on it, man. Let me check on it.
Matter of fact, yeah, I had to pay off the last payment to my bondsman.
70 the leads list.
70, go ahead.
Need a 50 check on a male black social. Should come back to a Jonathan, first name, last name Ren. Looks like he's showing a couple possible warrants and leads. If you can go in and verify, he's in custody. No fresh charges at this time. My badge.
Not bad, she come my way, but I'm just glad that I can take care of this situation.
Get over it.
Yeah. I was thinking about turning myself in, and I was like, is it gonna be, you know what I'm saying, either way? You know, I don't know why it's been toppling on my head, but that shit told me, oh yeah, better get caught up, buddy.
Yeah, I mean, at least now we'll be done.
Yeah.
What was it out of?
Out of here, Franklin.
No.
Yeah, out of here.
We're just like a traffic stop or something?
A few more minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Anyone here?
I got you.
Yeah. I was staying in the Linden area at the time. And Minerva Park is the one who got me. Oh, really? Yeah. I wasn't speeding or do nothing. Had my lights on.
What was it? What did he say it was for?
He just said something blah, and ended up finding the gun, and you know it wasn't. Thank God it
No
wasn't.
ops, and then found the gun.
Yeah. And then I was just taking my cousin to McDonald's at 2 in the morning.
Who's your cousin?
I mean my nephew, Michael Lee. Yeah, he's not. He's got no thick record, but he does.
Hey, he throwing names out there and everything.
Like, man, you can't be doing that, man. Don't do that. It's not gonna look good. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be targeted, buddy. And he just still don't listen. But thank God he don't drink much.
Cause he be really mouthy then.
He be turned up for no reason. You know what I'm saying? It's just.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't have much to say about this case. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, as you can see, I didn't say too much. I've been kind of zoned in, locked in, watching it with y'all, man. I think it went pretty smooth. I think the officers did a good job. I would rate them. I'll give them like a 3. I think they did their job. And what made it go even smoother is the guy being cooperative. You know what I'm saying? And he wasn't combative. He wasn't mouthy, anything like that. Like he knew what it was already. Like, get out the car. He know what it is deep down inside. And that's what I mean. Like, when I see some of these videos, it's like, it's no point in just fighting. You know you did wrong. So if you caught, you caught. You just gotta eat it. It's your time to eat. You know what I'm saying? You had a nice run. Now you got caught. Go do your little time or whatever. Go face the consequences and call it a day, man. It is what it is. So I think this went pretty smooth, man. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.